How y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel, Tara Talent TV. So in the menu tonight, we got us some these petite lobster tails, potatoes. I got me some eggs. Ugh. And I got me some shrimp and some corn. My beloved sauce. Got my spoon in here, y'all, so I want to dip my good stuff down at the bottom in there. Okay, guys, let's get to eating. It is late, and we are hungry. Try to shrimp, y'all. It's hot, y'all, so I gotta use my little fork. That's hot too, y'all. See that steam? Those are hot. It's smoking hot, y'all. I forgot, y'all. Got my water. I'm thirsty already for that. Seasoning is spicy. Let's dive into these old lobster tails, y'all. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh. Look at that. Now these are good. Gotta break my potato up, y'all. It is hot. No, it's good. How y'all doing? I had a busy day today. Ooh, the egg is hot. Everything hot, y'all. Everything is hot tonight. I like the egg shot, but I don't like dipping it in the sauce. It's good though. You ever like y'all's in the sauce? That's a little too much for me. Yeah, I seasoned mine with some Old Bay and some Cajun seasoning. Yes, I did. I did. Oh, man. Baby. Strawberry. I'm sorry, y'all. Get my lemons out the refrigerator, please. Thank you. I got my lemons, y'all. I gotta get these lemon on deck. Get some lemons. Yes. See, that's what I'm talking about, these lobster tails. What is that? See, I gotta take that out, y'all. I can't be eating that. I cannot be eating that. Alright. Let's get some of that lemon. Yes. That ain't working right. Let's get a new one. Fresh one. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. So sorry. Yummy, y'all. To a whole different level. That is God. That is God. Woo! Well, that is hot. See that? Look at that goodness on that. See that? All that goodness, y'all. Oh, this food hot. Temperature hot. Spicy too low. It is. Ain't nothing nice later on, y'all. They ain't nothing nice. Mm-hmm. The after party is for real. The struggle is real. Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all. What this is, y'all, my third tail? I can't remember. Let's see what's in the middle there, in the center. It's all good. Yeah. That now. Yes. Y'all. Got these petite lobster tails from the farmer's market. Got about 7 of them for $19. That ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. That was actually excellent. And it's just as fresh. Just as good. Farmers Market in Decatur. ATL, baby. What you know about ATL? Yeah, I'm sleepy too. Sleepy and hungry. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse my. Yeah, it's gonna be a quick video tonight, honey. It's gonna be really quick and fast tonight. Cause we ate a little bit late tonight. Last 2 nights, actually. We're going past the time limit. Come on, Lemon. There you go. I don't think I ever finished my potato. I started on it, but I never finished it. Make it too full. It start eating it now. It almost like good. They are, y'all. y'all. Yeah, I need to chew them lemons up, y'all. Let me eat one more. I'm out of here. Because they are so good. So just don't eat the seed. Now, don't be biting down on them seeds. They ain't going to be too good for you. They ain't going to turn out successful. Anybody want to do a lemon challenge? Y'all want to do a lemon challenge? See how many lemons you can eat? I know I can beat y'all. I know I can. Let's do it. Okay, guys, I'm about to sign out. It's been real. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Tara Telling TV. If you like this video, hit the notification button down at the bottom so I'll let you know each and every time your girl is uploading a video. Please share, guys. Please share. Please share. And watch my video to the end, y'all, because I need them views, y'all. I'm trying to get up there. I'm trying to get all the views I need, y'all. So, guys, thank you for your subscriptions and all you new subscribers. I appreciate you guys and thank you for all the support. I love you guys. Peace.